Hi, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash. I am a makeup artist and a book lover, and I know I don't look super Christmassy today, but I'm gonna be trying to do a makeup look that is not technically Christmassy, but like it's gonna be like considered like a Christmas look. I am going to be trying to turn myself into a Tim Burton style Whovian person from Whoville. I was gonna do a just straight up super cute like Cindy Lou Who look, but I really want to do like Tim Burton style makeup again. I was in love with the look that I did in October, and I was like, oh, I need to do something similar. So I would have loved to have like the nose prosthetic, but they are not available to be shipped from like a few of the retailers I found. They're just not available until like Christmas Day or after. And it's like, that doesn't work for me. So I'm going to try to do some makeup, hope for the best, and see what happens. I don't want to do glue yet. I'm going to put a primer down. This is my Ciate, what is this? Vitamin Boost Pumping Primer. I've used this quite a bit so far, and I do like it. Is it my favorite primer? No. But it's decent. And it smells like, what is it, like honeydew almost? It's either cucumber or honeydew or like a mix of the two. That's what it smells like. I am going to be covering my brows just so I can do a skinnier brow and really do the big eyes. I kind of want to have like that sunken, almost dead like look, but like cutesy. Then I go in with my glue stick and I'll just do what I did before, a light layer. Oh, more like a thick layer. And more just for it to really just lay flat. You know, it amazes me that I could have a million brushes and I can't find the one that I need, which is not the one that I'm using. I'm just laying all of that hair up and flat. Do I want to do contour first? Sure. Okay, I'm going to start with the contour. I'm using my Milk little Sculpt stick. I will do more contour on top and then powder on top of everything, but I just really want to get like a base layer under so I don't have to do too much on top, if that makes sense. Goal is to just really make it look a little bit sunken and then do a very, very skinny nose, which maybe I'll just do that one trick that people have where they just like color all around their nose. Basically mimicking your shadow and then eventually looking just really sunken. I just use this. It's a foundation brush. I really need to declutter my brushes. I like took all of that off. I think that's a good base for what I'm going to do on top, which is going to be my foundation from Elf. This is the Soft Glam Satin Foundation, which obviously you could go super, super pale. You could go white. I'm doing a pale enough one, and it's okay if my brows aren't completely covered. I will make do. Alright, so I'm just gonna blend this in. I'm gonna for now avoid the nose because I'm gonna go in with probably my concealer to really like make it really tiny, but for now I'll just do the rest of my face. And I'm just gonna cover my nose. I'll figure it out. Brow cover could be better. I'm gonna have to go in with another layer, but I think I should go in with my powder. I'm just going to use my pressed powder. Not that this is, you know, the correct way to do this. I'll say that looks terrible. In person, it looks pretty bad. On camera, it looks passable. I think I can make it work though. Maybe. Alright, so I'm going to go back into a little contour. It's a dual-ended brush from It Cosmetics. I'm going to just get the concealer side and I'm going to hopefully contour correctly on my nose. I want like the skinniest bridge, and then I'm going to make like a bulbous tip, because typically Whovian noses, like they have a thicker upper lip and a upturned nose, and it's just like, you know how it is. If you've seen the filter on like TikTok, it's not a good look on me, but I'm hoping I can kind of faux do it by contouring my nose heavily. I'm going to also take my contour. Maybe I shouldn't have just done that. Whatever. Maybe I should have did a better job with my brows, but you know what? It's all good. It's all good. I'm just rounding out my eye shape. Kind of a base on how I want the eyes to go. I'm also going to take this contour under my eye to give it a little bit more of a sunken look. So far, so good. The vision's there. I'm also just going to just go back in on my cheek. Kind of retrace what I did. I say I really like this contour on my lower lash line. How I used to do my makeup kind of in college with a color like this around my eyes. I liked it. I am going to powder my face. I'm going to use just my setting powder here. I'll go in with my Kosas powder on top. I'm going to use this just to quickly set, and then I use the other powder to basically wipe all this away. I don't think I'm going to worry about concealer. I think I'm just going to worry about highlighting with a different product. Like I said, my Kosas powder, which I am almost done with this. Like, there is major pan happening. There's just a little bit of powder left. Oh, I was gonna do cream blush. Ooh, whatever. I think I can put it on top. Pivoting. Okay, this is a cream blush, not cream, liquid. This is a liquid blush from e.l.f. This is in the shade Pinky Promise. I want like the cold flushed look, basically just like right there. I'll blend that out with brush. Maybe. Oh no, I should not have put this on top of powder. Abort. Maybe I just need to go in with my sponge. I think I need to stop with that. I'm gonna go in with a powder contour. This is the KVD Beauty one. I'm gonna go in with the lightest shade. I'm gonna do the powder, then I gotta fix my nose. I just gotta fix my nose, but I'm going out of order as I usually do. I'm actually gonna take this as like a highlighting brush, but I think it's gonna work okay for what I have planned. I always forget how powdery this is. But I'm basically just gonna take this powder and go over what I did with the cream. I feel like this is pulling too warm. That's why I feel like this contour palette, like, it's good, but it's also like, I feel like I need like a gray. So I'm gonna switch gears and go in with the Carve Your Face palette from Creature Cosmetics. I'm just gonna go in, same brush, with this one, which I think it's definitely more of a cool tone, and it has like almost like a purpley undertone. Just kind of lightly go over everything that I did. For my nose, I'm gonna go in with this dual-ended contour stick. Clearly I could have used the contour in this one, but I like the white in here better, and I'm going to use this to highlight down the center of my nose. Blend that in with my finger, I think. No, with my sponge. Again, this is probably something I should have done before my powder. I was not thinking anything through. I'm going to go back into my contour powder, and I'm going to sweep that under my eyes. I'm going to take an eyeshadow brush. This one is from Game Beauty. I'm just getting it right on the tip, and I use this to further contour. I think this is what I need, and this will make it all kind of tie in. Alright, going in with this palette was the right move. Now let's do the brows. Since I'm going to keep my hair, I was going to do a wig, but I think I'm just going to leave my hair. So I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay Brow Blade, and I'm going to use the ink side because I don't have the pencil anymore. And I'm going to follow my natural shape a little bit, but do like the sad. I really should have done that better. Whatever. Will this help? That kind of helped. I'm going to use this on my lid also. Just take a flat brush just to smooth this out. Alright, the white kind of helped. And go back in and blend the contour. I'm going to go into the Oden's Eye Merry Christmas palette, and I'm going to go into Elf Wish. So I want to tie in some Christmassy cheer color. Try to pick this up with a brush, and I'm going to put that basically where I put that white. That is such a fun shade. I love that. Okay, I'm going to go back into the contour, and I'm going to take a small brush, small-ish brush, and I'm basically just going to cut around the shape that I did. I'm going to put a heavier concentration down here. Slightly coming together. I feel like I just need a little bit of a better blend. I'm going to go in with a little bit of that blush, just kind of like right on top. I feel like they have really blushy noses, and then just go right back over the top with the contour. Next up is my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, and I'm going to put this in my waterline. And then just back in with the contour. I'm going to go in with my Rare Beauty highlighter, and I'm going to just do a gentle highlight in some points. So a little bit on the tip of my nose, down the bridge, on the high point of the brow, and then just a little bit on the side. I'm going to take a liquid black liner now, and I'm going to do a small, not necessarily a wing, just a small line on my lash line. Eyeshadow is creasing so bad, but I think it's just the thing that I put on underneath. Don't love that. I'm gonna make bottom lashes now. First I'm going to trace a black line under the white. And I'm gonna do pretty prominent lines under my eyes. I love this. I love this. Should I go in with a powder blush? Maybe this is Swirled from ColourPop. Yeah, just a little bit. Kind of right over where I did the e.l.f. Was it the e.l.f.? Yeah, where I did the liquid. Cute. And I'm gonna also, I don't know if this is gonna be a mistake. I meant to do this when I did the Sally look. Still like not even. It's all good. That just gives a little bit more of a Burton-esque nose. I think all I need to do is lips and lashes and then something with my hair, and then, you know what? I'm not gonna change my shirt. I don't need to have a Christmas sweater for every thing. Do I? I'm gonna say no. I think one of my lashes from Elli Beauty should work. Oh, that should work. This is Scrooge from Elli Beauty. Unfortunately, it is no longer available. It is a dark purple lash though. That's very fluttery on the ends. So I'm gonna go in with my Kiss Lash Glue. Lashes are on. They are still settling, but ooh, I love this. I love it so much. What do I want to do for lips? I am going to hop off. I have to call to see if I have jury duty. So I'm going to do that really quick. And then I'll be back to show you the finished look. And I'm going to do something with my hair. Like I said, something on my lips. But, oh, I love how this looks so far. Does it seem very Whovian? Maybe not. But hopefully the hair will do something. Maybe? Alright, and here is the finished makeup look. I tried to do something funny with my hair, but I kind of got sidetracked by crying, so the hair is not as good as it could be. But I really like how this looks all together. I have a little elf hat on that's gonna jangle every time I move my head. It's only slightly annoying. Real quick, what I ended up doing on my lips was I took Lilith from the Melt and Bailey Sarian collab, and that is like majority of the lip, and then I put the strawberry shade from Anastasia in the center and blended it out. And I just wanted like a cool tone with a little bit of red just to make it Christmassy. I honestly feel super cute in this. Let me know what you think, and I'm going to zoom you out to finish up this video. I'm just going to go ahead and hold this bell because it's driving me crazy. So I actually really do love this look. I think it's so fun. I love doing like Burton-esque style makeup, and I feel like I kind of look like I could be like a almost like semi-gothic something, like Whovillian person from Whoville. Anyways, what I'm trying to say is I really love this look. So all of my makeup details are going to be listed down below in case you're interested in anything that I used today. I need to go ahead and wrap this up because my husband is about to walk in the door. If you want, you can follow me on my other socials. I'm artistryxashh everywhere. And if you want some book content, I am Ashley with 2 H's that reads on TikTok and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this. Happy holidays. And I will see you all tomorrow for a brand new video. Bye!